Hello everyone. In previous video we discussed about Doppler's effect when the source is in motion and observer is at rest. When the source is in means Doppler effect means the apparent change in frequency due to relative motion between the source and observer. Means when the source is in motion is observer at rest. When the source or observer whatever, if the observer is in motion, source at rest, then the apparent change in frequency means whenever the one source or observer move towards one another, means when the two source moving together towards, then the apparent frequency increases. Then whenever they moving away from one another, then the apparent frequency decreases than the actual frequency of sound. The change in the difference in frequency of sound to the apparent frequency of sound is called Doppler's shift. Means here when source and observer approaching each other, then the apparent frequency is greater than the actual frequency. If the observer and source are moving away from one another, then the apparent frequency is lower than the actual frequency. Then the difference between the actual frequency of sound and the apparent frequency of sound is called Doppler's shift. Doppler's shift. Then here Doppler shift means delta V, the change in difference in frequency is equal to nu naught similar to nu, means the actual frequency to the apparent frequency are both difference between them. In this case, now we are going to discuss, in previous video we discussed about that source is in motion, observer is at rest. Now we are going to discuss about source is at rest and a listener is in motion, means listener in motion, source is at rest. When observer is moving towards the source, the observer moving towards the source, then here the observer is there, he is having that V naught velocity, when the listener having that V naught velocity, that is V naught, and here is that source is at rest, so that's why Vs is equal to 0, means source velocity is equal to 0. Then here when he moves towards the point O dash, it moves towards the point O dash with respect to its by source, when he is at point O, the observer is at point O, he emits he produces one wave, then its frequency nu is equal to V by lambda. Nu is equal to V by lambda, means here the frequency nu means the actual frequency, because of they are both some of the distance, source releases one crust or one wave, produced one wave and received by an observer at point O, so that's why it is moving with the normal velocity of normal frequency per second is the nu is equal to V by lambda. When observer moving towards the source to the certain distance, then it is having that another wave is produced and observed by the source per second is here that the frequency will be nu dash is equal to V naught by lambda, because of he is moving with velocity V naught, he is moving with velocity V naught. At point O dash, at point O dash, the observer receives more frequency than at point O. So that's why here the source, when the source number of waves produced by the source per second is nu, means the frequency is nu. When the point S is stationary and at the same t is equal to 0, that at a time the observer received velocity will be, the frequency will be nu dash, means the number of waves produced by source in 1 second is nu with the normal actual frequency nu. By the observer received by the observer, that second is nu naught. So that's why then apparent frequency nu double dash is equal to the number of waves produced by the source and the number of waves received by the source. Whenever the observer moving towards the source, then he receives more frequency of sound by each second in addition with the receiver's velocity. receiver's observer's velocity frequency. Means he is moving and he is receiving the more and more waves in addition to this normal frequency. Means at the same v is equal to v by lambda. In addition to this, nu is equal to v by lambda. In addition to this nu by lambda, he is receiving that more frequency. Means nu dash is equal to v naught by lambda. Because of he is moving with v naught velocity, he is receiving more frequency of waves. So that's why we can say that when the apparent frequency, which is equal to number of waves produced by the source plus number of waves produced by the source plus the number of waves received by an observer, that is nu dash is equal to v naught by lambda. In case of the source is at rest, produces one wave and nu is equal to v by lambda, that source frequency. Then whenever he is moving, he is receiving more waves because of he is moving towards an observer, towards the source. Then he is receiving more than the normal frequency in addition to this normal frequency of sound, that is nu plus nu dash. That means to say apparent frequency, which is equal to number of waves produced by the source, plus number of waves received by the observer. So here is that the number of waves when the source is stationary. In addition to this, here apparent frequency nu dash is equal to number of waves produced by the source plus number of waves received by an observer. That means to say here number of waves produced by the source is nu and the number of waves received by the source is nu dash. Number of waves is by the observer is nu dash. Here the apparent frequency nu double dash is equal to number of waves produced by the source nu plus number of waves received by an observer is nu dash. Then the number of waves produced nu is equal to v by lambda with the normal frequency of sound is whenever the stationary is at rest and observer is at a distance at the initial point at O. He received the first wave, that is a nu with the normal frequency of sound is nu is equal to v by lambda. After when he is moving towards the source, then number of waves received by observer per second is nu dash is equal to v naught by lambda. Means whenever he moving towards the source at a distance of O dash, the point to the O dash, then he receives the number of waves in per second frequency is nu dash is equal to v naught by lambda. V naught be the observer's velocity and the lambda is the wavelength. Then here the apparent frequency is nu double dash. Means the observer received more frequency than the initial point when he moving towards the source. Then at a point O dash, while he is moving, he receives more frequency. So that's why we are adding when the number of waves per second in addition to the number of waves received by an observer is nu dash. That apparent frequency is nu double dash is equal to then nu plus nu dash. Means here nu is the number of waves produced by the source plus nu dash means the number of waves received by an observer. So that's why nu plus nu dash, then we can get nu dash double dash is equal to nu means v by lambda, then the number of waves received by an observer per second nu dash is equal to v naught by lambda. We are substituting these two values in the equation. Then we can get by doing LCM we can do v plus v naught by lambda. From that, but we know that from the equation nu is equal to v by lambda, we can write that the lambda is equal to v by nu by the normal wavelength So that's why nu double dash is equal to v plus v naught by, we are substituting lambda is equal to v by nu in the denominator, then v by nu. Then here the v by nu means the apparent frequency nu double dash is equal to that nu is the denominator for denominator. So that's why it can move into the numerator. So that's why v plus v naught by v into nu, v plus v naught by v into nu. Here also we can write this equation nu double dash is equal to 1 plus v naught by v into nu. 1 plus V naught by V into nu. Then from this operant frequency, so that's why we can say that here nu double dash is equal to V plus V naught by V into nu, means the actual frequency. The actual frequency, whenever we multiplied with V plus V naught by V, then only which is equal to the apparent frequency, because of received, the observer received more number of frequency of sounds than the initial point. So that's why we can say that nu double dash is equal to V plus V naught by V into nu. So that's why apparent frequency is more than the actual frequency, though nu double dash is greater than is equal to nu. When if the observer is moving away from the source, he absorbs less frequency of sounds. Here is that whenever if in case of he is moving away from the source, then he receives less than the actual frequency of sound. So that's why he is losing some. So that's why the wave total apparent frequency will be less. Then the number of waves produced by the source in subtraction, means is subtracted with the number of waves received by the observer, means the observer's frequency will be minus, means less. So that's why we can say that from that equation we can go through that apparent frequency nu double dash is equal to that V naught, means the observer's velocity will be negative. So that's why V minus V naught by V, because of he is losing some frequency of sounds. He cannot hear, the volume of the sound, speed of a sound will be going on decreasing, the frequency of going on decreasing. So that's why V minus V naught by V into nu. Here is that whenever the actual frequency of sound which is less than the apparent frequency, apparent frequency is less than the actual frequency. So that's why apparent frequency is lower than actual frequency. From that nu double dash is equal to less than, nu double dash is less than nu, means apparent frequency of sound is lower than the actual frequency. This is about when the listener is in motion, source at rest, when the observer or listener is moving towards the source or moving away from the source, we can find the apparent frequency by using these equations. This is about Doppler's effect when the Doppler shift means the difference in frequency of sound to the and the apparent frequency of sound is called Doppler shift. When the listener is in motion, source is at rest, then we can find the values of apparent frequency expression. These are the expressions for apparent frequency. This one is for when the source is moving towards an observer and observer is moving towards the source. Then this is one is when the observer is moving away from the source. This one is. Thank you.